how to set up Proxy Auto-Config PAC on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the Home button to return back to the home screen. Then from the home screen, swipe down at the top. Then tap on the Settings icon in the Quick Settings panel. From here, we scroll down and then tap on Connections. Next, tap on Wi-Fi. Now make sure Wi-Fi is turned on. Then we go down and tap on the Settings icon right next to the name of your Wi-Fi. Now scroll down and tap on View More. Next, we scroll down and tap on Proxy. Then choose Auto-Config. And in here, you need to enter in the PAC web address. Now the Proxy Auto-Config PAC URL is used to automatically determine the proxy settings for a network connection. This is often used in a corporate environment or specific network setups. So an example would be, let's say I'll put in http dot, column, and then /. So I'm just going to do menu here, / and then proxy dot example. So proxy.example.com. And then you typically have something like this, / and proxy.pac. So this is just an example. And from here, you can tap on Saved. Now, another way to do it is to use the IP address. So it can be an IP address, something like this. So you can put in http / and then an example of the IP address can be 192.168.1.1 and / and then you have proxy.pac. So this is just an example, and then just tap on Saved. And that's it. And typically, this is what it looks like. And this is how you can set the auto-config for your Wi-Fi. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. So this URL, you would typically get it from your workplace and network administrator. So if you do not know what it is, just go to your network administrator and ask them for one. Thank you for watching.